Okay, hello everybody. Kelly Gerards here with Blanca Peak Technologies and kellygerards.com. And I do want to point out that today is June 4th, Saturday at approximately 7 or about 10 till 7 Mountain Time. So this is fresh content, and I'm going to show you something that I've been working on for a few weeks now. And what the picture you're seeing right there is Huntington Harbor, and that's some fancy pants restaurant. But I'm working on a new business, a business launch. I've been hired to run all the social media and the online list generation abilities for this new business to build a subscriber base through internet marketing as well as Facebook. And that's what we're going to focus on is Facebook. And I call it the Facebook hook. And if your Facebook fan page is not hooked up, like the way I'm going to show you, it could potentially be costing you more than you know. But so let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. What I want to start with first is, I don't know if you're familiar with pay-per-click ad or Facebook advertising, but you can do pay-per-click ads in advertising or pay-per-click advertising on Facebook. All right. What this is, we've been testing this, and so I'm considering today as the actual launch. I'm going to show you some stats and numbers that we've been testing and tweaking some stuff. But I just started a brand new campaign that's going to drive people and hook them through Facebook in a very unique way. Now, one thing I want to point out, let's go ahead and refresh this, is I started this advertising campaign back up at 5:30 Mountain Time, so basically an hour and 20 minutes ago. And when I started, what this connections is, this means how many people actually connected or liked my fan page, right? This is how many clicks. This is how many people it's been exposed to. And the price per click, $1.38 is what we're averaging. So when I started this an hour and 20 minutes ago, we only had 4 connections, not 7. And there were only 15 clicks and not 21. So in the last hour and 20 minutes, this ad that I've generated, which you can see right here, okay, has generated 6 clicks in the last hour and 20 minutes. And there's a couple ways that this is happening. All right. So when somebody's driven to our landing page, let me just kind of go there real quick. I'm going to have to, this is our Facebook fan page with what I call the Facebook hook. And what the Facebook hook's all about is if someone's not a fan of Living Huntington, the social place up to 90% discounts, this is where they land. Okay? They don't go straight to my wall or straight to photos or any of that kind of stuff, because you really don't want people going straight to the wall. There's all this stuff, work we've been doing, connections we've been making, and so on and so forth with other businesses and people in the Huntington, New York area. But you want to send them to what I call a Facebook fan page landing page. And in this case, this is the one that I've created for this particular client. Once they get here, they're going to play this nice little video. We actually hired a spokesperson.
Hello, and thank you for visiting Living Huntington, your social place to find discounts of up to 90% from the best of the Huntington area's merchants, such as Jonathan's Restaurant, Mr. Sausage, Bacolo Restaurant, Little Vincent's, Colors Hair Salon, Juice Box, and many more. Living Huntington is being offered to give you the best value on local products and services and to connect you to the merchants that want to make that possible. We hope you are as excited as we are, so please visit our blog and leave your comments. Be sure to let us know what you think so we can best serve you. Thank you.
Okay, so we gave a nice little warm fuzzy. That intro video could be any type of video you want to make, or we can get it professionally done. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and log out of my account, and I'm going to log into one of my other clients' accounts so I can show you actually how this works. Let's go in here. Let's go ahead and use this one. We are admin on several different accounts, but so we're in this other client's account, and let's just go ahead and bear with me here. Living Huntington. There it is. So I've kind of set this up, but for this particular client, see, they have not liked this page yet. All right. So or they have not liked this fan page. So when they first come here, they're going to find the same thing that I showed you. So let's pretend we already played the video, and right below the video it says instant Facebook access. This is the cool part of the hook. Now I'm using a couple of different tools that I've integrated together. There's a tool that I use to create the fan page itself. This little opt-in form is from another service, and then I'm going to show you something else that's even more incredible, to create a viral list. Oh, by the way, in the last hour and whatever the case is, hour and 20 minutes, so out of those 5 clicks, we actually ended up with, there's one lead here, and then we had a new lead. As you can see, that's 6:11 p.m. Mountain Time, and this Courtney Ann came in today at 5:57. All right, and I had started this particular campaign in Facebook. Like I said, I reactivated it, made it active as of 5:30. So just keep that in mind. So let's get back here, and since this client hasn't liked this page yet, and they're going to go through here. Instant Facebook access. What's this? Get instant access to our members only blog. Members only blog. Up to 90% discounts and qualify for free $50 gift cards from Huntington, New York area merchants. So what's all this about? Well, there's a couple things that's going to happen. If I click on this button, okay, by clicking on that, it is taking me over to our primary comment landing page, the inside page for the blog. And it's a little announcement, and she's going to talk a little bit more.
Hello, and thank you for visiting Living Huntington, your social place to find discounts of up to 90% from the best of the Huntington area merchants, such as Jonathan's Restaurant, Mr. Sausage, Piccolo Restaurant, Little Vincent's, Colors Hair Salon, Juice Box, and many more. Living Huntington is being offered to give you the best values on local products and services, and to connect you to the merchants that want to make that possible. We hope you are as excited as we are. So please leave your comments and suggestions below, and join other founding members to get the latest updates and grand opening announcements. Be sure to let us know what you think so we can best serve you. Thank you.
Okay. So it's another welcome video, but you notice we made it a little bit different because we want to give them an incentive to leave a comment. But before we get back to that part, let me kind of show you what's happened already just by virtue of someone pressing that instant Facebook connection. Okay. If I go to my inbox, boom. Where is that at? That hasn't happened yet. Okay. But at any rate, let's go over to search subscribers. I refresh this. This is an AWeber, but at any rate, so that client whose Facebook account that I just used, by virtue of clicking on that button, it's actually, not only does it allow us to connect to whatever website we want to, but this works with about a dozen different email services, and it's automatically harvested the information. So now I'm building a list. Not only am I driving people to the Facebook page, but once they want to have more information, boom, we're grabbing and we're building that list. And of course, these are the different other subscribers from today. But like I said, we've just been testing it, kind of tweaking some stuff, but today it's the actual launch. So that's why I wanted to show you the date, but it gets even better. So we've connected. Also, if we're doing any type of advertising outside of the Facebook and we drive them to the main blog page, we don't want to give away the farm. So once again, if they come to the main domain, the primary main page, we have the instant Facebook access here as well. And by virtue of clicking that, not only is it going to forward them to the landing page, which is this one, we're going to be collecting their email address. So if we're marketing on Twitter or doing some pay-per-clicks or we're doing some video marketing, people are mainly going to get driven to this. But we can use our Facebook to get really cost-effective clicks. And once we give them some more incentive here to leave a comment. All right. As you can see, there's people here that left a comment. But here's what happens. Now with this software, which is kind of like a viral list creator, I'm just going to say, I'm going to go Kelly. I'm going to use Kelly Gerards at yahoo.com. Or maybe I should, I'm going to use a different address. let's use live. I'm trying to think of an email that I haven't used yet. Leads@gmail.com. Bear with me here. And if you wanted to, I could leave a website, but I'll say this. This is going to be an excellent program. So keep in mind, if that client that had already subscribed, we already have them in Aweber. They're on our list, right? So when we actually launch our daily deal site for this client, that's part of it. We need subscribers, but just think about your business and you build a list of subscribers that you can constantly email and market to. So I call it the Facebook hook. Excellent program. And I'm going to post my comment. Okay. Now, this is also integrated with Aweber. So now they've posted a comment, right? And they come to a thank you page.
Thank you for sharing your comments and suggestions. And congratulations on being a founding member of Living Huntington. As a way to say thank you, be sure to check your email to receive free gifts. One of which is the opportunity to receive 5 free $50 gift certificates to use at our local merchants, such as Jonathan's Restaurant, Mr. Sausage, Piccolo Restaurant, Little Vincent's, Colors Hair Salon, Juice Box, and many more by sharing this with people you know. Just check your email, open the Living Huntington confirmation email. Thank you, and watch for updates.
Okay, so we've got the Facebook hook. We've created a subscriber. We're encouraging the subscriber to leave a comment. And so what's going to happen here, kind of go back in here. All right. So a couple of things. Since I subscribed on the blog with a unique email address, it's also going to capture my email. And I'm getting notification from Aweber. Thank you for commenting. So it probably added that to the Aweber account. Okay. And with Charles Barada, this is a confirmation message that Charles was added to the Aweber account. Okay. All right. And he's asking, what is this? I'm testing. So I just want to respond there. Testing. Send. All right. So I think you see what's happening. But let's go check this other Gmail account, because this is where we're starting to create a viral, kind of like, I kind of look at it as when I say network marketing, get 3 to get 3 to get 3 to get 9 to get 27 and so on. So I want to sign out of this one. Okay. So what we've done is we originally placed an ad on Facebook, a very cheap ad, and we're talking about $1.30 a click, and it can actually get cheaper. We've prompted that person to go check out our blog. In the process, we've captured them into our mailing list for that particular business or campaign or whatever it is we're selling. So here's what happens on the other side. Okay? Support. Hi, Kelly. Here are your Living Huntington details. And this is what happens when they leave a comment. Thanks for helping us spread the word about Living Huntington, the new social place for deals at local merchants, events, and news. Remember, just get 3 friends to comment our post, and we'll qualify you for a weekly drawing. So there's, see, got a little bit, got a change there. Get 3 friends, and we'll qualify you for a weekly drawings for 5, free gift cards from local merchants. And these are $50. I mean, of course, you want to give whatever it is that you can give that's a value that people would, since this is catered towards Huntington, New York, of course people, And so your details and referral link. Well, this is what we've done. We give them their own affiliate link. And what happens? They go with the affiliate link. I'll just put mine up here that I already copied. I paste it. So now with this affiliate link,